Affiliate marketing tips and tricks to increase your online revenue. The goal of any business should be long-term success, and that's especially true when talking about affiliate marketing. Since you work off of commissions, you will need a steady stream of customers. To achieve that, you need to know about the best industry tactics and other marketing-related info. We'll cover some of it here in this video. Always start with something you know if you're new to affiliate marketing. It is always easier to build a good site if the subject matter is something you're interested in. Try to immediately branch out too much and you will find the subject matter boring, and feeling too much like a dreaded task. Diversify your affiliate marketing strategy. Do not put all of your advertising eggs in a single basket. No matter how tightly you focus on a particular niche, you should be able to find more than one affiliate to partner with. Maintaining good relationships with multiple affiliates will give you a safety net in case one advertiser ceases to be profitable. To maximum your affiliate marketing profits, work with a variety of retailers who sell similar products. You should aim to promote anywhere from 3 to 4 different retailers on your site. This gives you data on how affiliates compare to each other, and also gives your readers options. Try rotating the merchants you work with to find out which ones are best for you. The key to being a successful affiliate marketer is to generate a lot of traffic to your website. There is no other strategy that works as well. If 1% of your web traffic clicks on an affiliate link, you need a lot of traffic to make money, so more traffic equals more money. A great affiliate marketing tip is to make sure you have enough money for your own website. Your efforts in promoting affiliate products will be wasted if your website suddenly shuts down because you couldn't afford to keep it going. Make sure you have a proper budget for your site. Always keep in mind that the quality of the affiliate products you promote on your website can very much affect your reputation. If you go for the best, readers will sing your praises to all levels of the internet. If you choose badly, those same folks will drag your reputation into the mud, giving you worse than zero credibility. Offer a bonus product or service to customers who buy through your affiliate link. This way they will be more inclined to buy through you and not someone else. This will also encourage them to use your program in the future to purchase items because they will receive something in return. Obviously, one video cannot possibly cover every single aspect of affiliate marketing, but this is a good start if you want to begin formulating a plan for marketing success. You can take the information you learned here and use it as a solid foundation to start building your career as an affiliate today. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.